Yes, thank you so much for joining Mike and I as we take you on a tour through Chumley Estates in Reidville, South Carolina. This is a D.R. Horton community, and these are the Tradition Series homes. Just beautiful. So be sure and stay to the end. I'll be taking you on a tour through one of the models. In fact, the model home, which is the Hampshire model. So yes, Reidville is just growing. It's a wonderful location, convenient to everything. So yes, this is a brand new neighborhood nestled in the heart of Reidville. Ideal location. It's 30 minutes between both downtown Greenville and downtown Spartanburg. There's plenty of dining, shopping, entertainment. And there's also, you're only 2 miles from the Tyger River Park, which is a premier baseball, softball, sports complex. They have a little bit of everything over there, playgrounds and more. So yes, these are beautiful homes, thoughtfully designed. There's single-story plans and 2-story plans. Also 1.5-story plans. So there's something for everyone out here at Chumley Estates in Reidville, South Carolina. The schools are very, very good also. So this is kind of a small, quaint community, not real big. They're not going to have a pool or clubhouse or cabana out here. Just, a couple cul-de-sacs, so it is on the smaller side. So we're going to be going in the model home here, which is the Hampshire model. So you're going to enjoy all the bells and whistles in this home. So yeah, we come in here, the formal dining area. Love the coffered ceilings. Just, all kinds of extras in here. Yes, beautiful kitchen. Gas is out here. Love the sunroom. Very, very nice sunroom. That's an extra. So some of the homes out here do have sunrooms. Very nice. When I took this video, they were working on the fireplace. So if some of that is missing, that's why, okay? But yeah, I love the butler's pantry here with a large pantry right across from it, a walk-in pantry. Very spacious. There is a bedroom and full bath downstairs. Great for a guest, a little guest suite. Or maybe older in-laws or something that want to come visit. Nice little spot for them. So this is the model home, so normally that area would go out to the garage. So yes, this is a beautiful plan. The Hampshire model is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 3,000 square feet. So there's plenty of room to spread out. I love all the decorations in these model homes. So this one had a big bonus room area, loft area there. You could easily make it into a game room, movie room. Plenty of space for the kids. So yeah, so some of the other models out here are the Azalea model, the Fleetwood, and both of those are over 2,000 square feet. This particular model, the Hampshire, I love the bathroom. The master bath in here is just exquisite. Tile everywhere. Lots of upgrades in these homes. Beautiful. Nice soaker tub. Nice tile shower. Very nice. Yeah. So another thing I liked about this model is the laundry room is right off of this master. There's like a closet that goes right to the laundry room. Love the cute little sitting area here for a morning cup of coffee or reading. Very nice. Yeah, and here you go through the two closets, his and hers closets, one on each side, and then it goes right through to the laundry room. So plenty of space in this house to spread out. So lots of cabinets to put everything in, counter space, a sink, plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if we can help you move into a beautiful home here in Chumley Estates in Reidville, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out.